that you will stop Jack from coming to masjid? Who can stop me? Come and stop me! Come! Will you let those people stop them? Will you allow that to happen? Are we weak? Are we corrupt? Then who can stop us? I challenge you. Come and stop Jack. Jack is not in the masjid anymore. Jack is in our hearts. Take it out if you can. Take it out if you can. You spread the face propaganda. You're testing my patience. You're sending me messages. We're gonna come after you. Come. My mom gave birth to a lion. शेर का बच्चा खड़ा है इधर. आओ मेरे पीछे. मेरे यार इधर मेरे साथ खड़े हैं. मेरे दोस्त मेरे साथ खड़े हैं. उखाड़ोगे उखाड़ोगे. अब तुसी सानू कमजोर समझदे हो. तुम्हारी भैन दी सी. I'm going to stand with you. I am standing with him. My people are standing with him. My people are standing with him. Today is not an event. This is a referendum for Jack. Who is going to... Who do we think deserves to be our governor? Who do we love? Who is going to protect our families? Who is going to protect our kids? Who is going to fix New Jersey? Who are teaching LGBTQ in school? For what? Who is going to stop that agenda? Who is going to protect our masajids? You are telling that Jack is going to stop your funding? What funding? One funding is going to be stopped. That corrupt money that was going into your pocket. Jack is going to stop that funding. No other funding is going to be stopped. You're telling my community, I'm sorry I am emotional today, but I have had it enough.